Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another monthly subscription from Czech Beads Exclusive. This company is also known as Craftica, and in case you're interested in this bead box, I will leave a link for it down there below the video in the description bar. And also, if you didn't know, I do make video tutorials using materials from these boxes all the time. So let's go ahead and see what this month's theme is, because this bead subscription always has a monthly theme and it's always something fun. Okay. Flower bouquet. Oh my gosh. So if you watch my videos, you know that I love flower beads, and I also like to make my own flowers using Czech teardrops, leaf, petal beads. I do dagger beads, I've done disc beads. I love making flowers with all different kinds of beads. I have so many tutorials on them, so I am very excited about this box. Let's see how many things are in here. Oh my gosh, there's going to be a lot. Okay, so it says 16 items, but if you look, they're breaking them down into lots. There's going to be a bunch of stuff in here. So let's see what they have. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, these are leaf charms. And these are double-sided. So cool. Wow, there's 5 of them. And they're thick, too. Look how thick that is. And they're double-sided. They're heavy, also. These are cool. So that's the top and that's the bottom. These are cute. I like those a lot. And you know, some charms like this, you can poke extra holes in them with a hole punch plier. I've done that. Just recently, I got a flower pendant from another subscription, and it was supposed to have a hole in it. There was a mark from it in it, but there was no hole in it. So I took my hole punch pliers and I poked a hole in it. It was no big deal. Here are some Czech bellflowers. This is so pretty. I gotta figure out what this color is called. I've seen different places call it different things. One place called it, is it bisqua? It's a weird word. Or broke. Or maybe I'm thinking of a different bead. I've also seen this called oats, because it's white with the brown on it. But I think it is like in the Picasso or Travertine family. It's very pretty. I have seed beads like this. And the seed beads, they call it oats. Something oats. Okay, so there's some flowers. Oh, these are pretty. What color is this? Is this red or is it brown? And by the way, I have a bunch of video tutorials where I make things with just flower beads. One video I always talk about is my flower vine bracelets, where I took flowers and leaf beads and I did a stitch with seed beads, and it looks exactly like a vine. And you can use so many different flowers on that piece. This is cool. I've never seen this flower shape before. And I gotta pay more attention to if these beads have 2 holes or not, because a while back I got some really unusual flower beads. I only got 2 of them, and they had 2 holes. So I gotta see, do these have 2 holes? No, just 1. They are cool though. It's a yellow Picasso. These are table cut beads. Those are cool. I like those. This box is loaded. It's probably going to take a long time to get through it. Here are some 3mm, it looks like emerald or maybe evergreen Czech fire polish beads. Those are gorgeous. I would open them, but I would hate to lose them because they are tiny. And then, oh my god, my favorite color, turquoise. And by the way, there's different shades of turquoise in Czech beads. There is a turquoise that's called Persian turquoise, and it's dark. It's darker than this color here. It's more of a teal. But they are both gorgeous. Man, I love them so much. I'm gonna have to do something with flowers again. And this box is called Flower Bouquet. Now I do have a ring that I did with bellflower beads. I did the ones that were lucite or like acrylic though, and I called it a beaded bouquet ring tutorial. Maybe I should link that down there below too for you guys. Here are some 3mm Czech fire polish beads, a gorgeous blue, and I love them. I do not have this color and this size in my stash. So see the different color there? This one here is my favorite, but I also love that one. But yeah, there's a Persian turquoise that's darker than these. And here is 3mm Czech fire polish in bright yellow. That is so pretty. Love those. Didn't I get this in an opaque red, I think, last month? And here's some charms. These are cute. Is that a hibiscus flower? Handmade. That's cute. There's two of them. I think there's a print on that side. And then we have, what is this? I've never seen this before. It's kind of a white bead, but not really. It's more of a translucent white. And it is the weirdest shape. These bags are hard to open. I've never seen this before. It's definitely a Czech bead. All these beads are Czech. But that's cool. I bet this would be fun to stitch with because of its shape. And I like that it's rounded on the corners, so it's not super sharp corners like a, what is it called? A tilla bead? Where they have sharp corners. I like the roundedness of it because it just makes, when you weave with it, it makes the pieces go together better. I dropped 3. So that's different. Never seen those before. And what's this? What is this? Oh my gosh, is that a charm or a connector? A charm. Those are so cute. I love these. Oh, I could put these with those leaves. Make earrings. Do some chain. And they're double-sided. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. I love those. Okay, what is this? Ooh, these are pretty. I love this green chartreuse. It's gorgeous. And it is Picasso. See the sides? And green Picasso is one of my favorite Picassos because the Picasso on the green bead has this bluish purple turquoise color. It looks so different on this green. It's really pretty. I love it. And it's hard to find them. They're kind of rare beads. Oh, this is not a melon bead. It's like a pumpkin shape. It's a rondelle. It's a rondelle that has like a pumpkin shape. And this is my birthstone colored. I like these. They're cute. Very pretty. And then we have some more bellflowers. Oh my gosh, this is such an unusual color. So it's just like this one, but it's green in the details. Look at that. Oh my gosh, I see something that is awesome in the box. Look at those. Those are cool. And then we have these here. These are so pretty. I love this. 3mm Czech fire polish beads. They're opaque, green, and look at the colors. Oh my gosh, I love these so much. All 3 of those. They're so pretty. I just found another bead there. What else do we have? These flowers. These are cool. I rarely ever see these flowers. Like, I would say they're probably one of the most rarest Czech flowers, because they just seem like they are really hard to find. Oh my gosh, what is this color? I think it's that one. I see it in super duos all the time. I have several of them, but basically this bead is white underneath, and they put this finish on it. It's a permanent finish. Do you see the white right there? And oh, what is it called? Like, I think the pink one or the purple one is called Lila Chalk Luster, and it's like usually chalk in the name of some kind of treatment they do to it. But yeah, that's the first time I've seen it in green. I always see it in pink, a pale yellow, blue, and purple. Then we have, no way, these are so cool. So here it is again. This is the blue version, and these do look like they have a travertine over top of them. Look at that. I don't know what this shape is called. The hole is right there in the middle of the bead. And these could also be used in my flower vine bracelet. And then we have a charm. Oh, it's a tree life. That's cute. And it's thick. I like thick, heavy charms because they're strong. That's very pretty. It's like 3/4 of an inch going that way. It's a nice size. And then, no way, these match. Where'd they go? Where'd they go? I just had them. These, they match. These would look awesome together in my flower vine bracelet. Use both of them because they're the same color. It's like it's the bud, and then it opens, the flower opens to look like this. So that would be cool to do a bracelet like that. Or necklace. You can make a necklace with that flower vine. They're darn cool. They're really darn cool. You know what though? I kind of wish that the hole, instead of it being on the side, I kind of wish it went through the bead diagonally. Because I could do some really fun designs with that bead if it was made like that. What else? Oh, these. I love these. I have a few of these. And the Bohem Style box, 1 month I got a necklace and bracelet with these beads in it. I don't think they were the same color, but they were similar. There was a ton of these in the box, and I made 2 gorgeous pieces with them. They're so pretty. And, oh, there's more. I think these were one of the colors in the box. Brown. It's actually silver in the details. So cool. What else is there? There's still more. It just continues. Oh, these are neat. Look at that. It's not really opal. It's like a translucent white color. The opal ones are more of a, even though they're white, they have like a bluish color to them. Those are cool. And then, what else? Oh my gosh, there's more. This color is so pretty. All of these look good together. Where did the green go? I like them together. So I will probably use them together in a project. Right here. Look at all 3 of those. Aren't they pretty together? Ooh, it's luster. There's a luster finish on those. And then, key charms. Oh my gosh, those are so tiny. Those are the tiniest keys I've ever seen. It's a flower on there or a cross? I guess it's a flower. And they're double-sided. They are just so small. I'm thinking they're like ½ an inch long. They are just so tiny. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to go through all of this and I will be back. So here are all the beads laid out, and I'm going to go through them with you guys. So number 1 is flower polish beads. They are 3mm, and there are 4 lots of these. And then we have carved flower beads. These are 14mm, and there's 2 lots of those. And we have nice 2 beads, 3.5mm by 6mm. And we have flower beads, 6 by 8mm, 2 lots. And then we have cute pumpkin beads, 6 by 8mm. And then flower beads, these are 8 by 12mm, and there's 3 of these. And then we have square flower beads, these are 9mm, 2 lots. And then we have the table cut flower beads, 10mm. And then there is, did I skip this one? Nice flat round beads, 15mm. And bellflower beads, 7 by 8mm. I think that these are smaller than these. They look like they are, just a little bit smaller than those. But it's only a 1mm size difference. And there's also a Tree of Life pendant. This is 20 by 24mm. And 2 beads, 20 by 6mm. Flower charms, 10 by 8mm. Lovely leaf charms, 15 by 9mm. Key charms, 16 by 7mm. And unique message charms. These are 8.5mm. So this is all the stuff that came in the box. I'm excited to design with them. I'm probably going to do something with the flowers. And I don't know, should I do a bracelet or a necklace? Let me know what you think. Or even earrings. Tell me down there in the comments what you would like to see me make. Bracelet, necklace, and I will see what I can do. And yeah, I am excited and looking forward to designing with this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure that you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. And check me out on my social media sites. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.